channel, Princess Sarina. Today I have a very, very special kit for nails. It's Alex Paw Sweet Sun Sprinkle Nails. It looks so cute and pretty, and I heard it's scented. Yeah, but it smells like ice cream. It says these that look like ice cream smell like ice cream as well. That's what scented means. It's really cool. I can't wait to open it. What's there to do? Let's get open because I'm super excited. Let's start opening. We're gonna peel from here because there's a little thingy. Nail stickers! So cute! Instructions. The nail polish. The other nail polish. And sprinkles. Let's move stuff right in so you guys can see. Instructions. And I'll put it over here. So, yeah, you didn't need scissors. That's good. Let's read the instructions first. So, it says, okay, yeah, sure. They smell good. Let's do a smell. Open up. Okay, I'm gonna paint my nails now. I'm gonna start with the pink. This color is really pretty. Okay, there we go. It's looking cute. I'll let you know when I'm finished all my all of my nails. As you can see, guys, I have finished my nails here. So you guys can see better. Okay, no, I think you'll see better here. It's actually really, really cute and pretty. Now let's move on to the sprinkles. We had a teensy problem with these sprinkles, but you guys can see better now. The problem actually was because the tip, the tiny balls couldn't come through the tip. Even though we followed the instructions and cut it off, it still didn't work. And that's why we used the nail polish cover to, I actually took this out and dipped it into the sprinkles and then painted it on my beautiful hands. Oh wait, I stuck one that doesn't have it. I better paint it on. This is perfect so you guys can see as well. Let me open them first. There. Sprinkle cap. them here. There, now dip them in. And there. Now it's nice and beautiful. So guys, that's the end, but first I want to tell you something. You could use the stickers too, these cute ice cream, related to ice cream stickers for your nails, but I didn't really want them to be on my nails this time, so I didn't use them, but you can indeed use them. Look. I just wanted to let you guys know. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. Bye!